satisfy me. What's all this now?
Bring me. You want to kill us first?
I have not come. I need to come.
You want to kill us first? You want us dead first?
You want to shift our boat back?
Shebi, you people said I'm 25 seconds man. Now I'm hard on. Let's make love. You're telling me you're tired. What?
You want to kill us?
What is this yesterday? Since yesterday, you want to kill us?
This part of your duty as my wife to satisfy my sexual urge.
We are tired. You will kill us. You will shift our boat. If you shift our boat, which one will we use to carry your child?
I want that.
What do you want us to do?
Satisfaction else yours.
Come
to bed.
Go.
Come to bed.
I'm tired.
Monica, go.
Now,
Don't call my name. Don't call my name. Don't call my name. I don't want to do it. Don't call my name.
Joy,
Don't
come to
call my
bed.
name. You don't kill me. Without that,
No.
we're tired.
Okay, now.
Let's
okay.
Wow, if I come, that's it.
But that's what you've been saying.
You don't know.
No.
I must come to them.
Hey, you want to stop killing me? Hey,
Why are you people doing this?
No.
You that nearly left me because I'm a 5 seconds man. Are you one complaining? Lie down.
You're going to kill me.
Lie down.
Papa, say everywhere is
You know it's satisfy you.
everywhere is spinning me now. Do you want to kill us?
I don't want to be with you. You make me up. It's locked. Hey, I don't know. Hey.
Come back here. Come back here.
It's coming, no. Hey, open the door.
Lele, is that question necessary? I locked the door because I needed to satisfy my wife's without anybody's disturbance. To the room.
Hey,
To the room now. I need to come.
Again, I will die. My husband want to kill me.
My beautiful wife, you will not die. Satisfying me is part of your duty as my wife. Making sure I come is part of your job. To the room! I said to the room.
I'm tired now.
You are stressing me. I said to the room.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's spinning me. It's okay.
Let's go and breathe this in. Don't get me angry.
I'm tired. What do you want us to do? We are tired.
So, am I supposed to continue staying like this?
You want to injure me?
You want to kill us?
I need to come now. I'm not satisfied. Okay, are you not my wife? Won't you do your job as my wife?
Okay, so because you are your wife, you will kill us now. No.
I go kill her to madam. I go kill her to madam. I don't do a nice one. Oga, Oga, welcome, Oga.
Thank you. How are you?
What's that noise inside for? Ha! Oga, they beat on hotu madam ko. Oga, they beat on hotu madam. Kutigwa, they beat on hotu. Did you say beat? Why? Since yesterday they beat on hotu madam. Alex is beating. I beg, help madam.
Alex! me, Tony.
Please come and help us, oh.
Will you shut up? Tony, I am not in the mood of seeing anybody. Please leave. I'll see you later.
Unless I came to inform you about the business deal between Kenny's brothers. Remember we had an agreement.
Kenny's brothers?
Yes.
Even at that, see, I'll see you later. Just go.
Hope you're not fighting with your wife because I'm here.
Listen, if you move and eat alone, that place is locked. Don't move and touch.
Tony, thank God you're here. Thank God you're here. This man wants to kill us, so he wants to kill us.
I was hearing voices on the people are mad. Who's fighting? We're not fighting. I'm not trying to have fun with my wife. My wives are not running away from me. Let me come, problem. Are you people mad? They're harassing me.
What is it? Are we going to die?
Thank God he's here. Let me see how you want to achieve your aim.
Which one is where my hand? Am I supposed to be soft? Am I not a woman? I am making love with my wives. Is that supposed to be a problem? So, I want to come. They are running around like kids.
So this is yesterday. Last night this thing has been been. Go down, Kwanumbanu. Come up, Umbanu. He wants to kill us. Do you want to kill us?
I don't understand. You mean since yesterday he has been on you without this thing?
Yesterday, our whole body is paying us.
Does family sex have duration?
Not at all.
Am I supposed to be timing love making with my wives? Are they not supposed to satisfy me as their husband?
You mean you are not allowing him to perform his duties as a man?
Yesterday.
He was out everywhere. This
God has
is
said
paying us.
Tony,
Hey!
I will see you later. Leave.
But-
Hurry
To help him, let us say, where do you want him to go and put it? On a rock? Now it's your duty to help him and get himself. See, you need to help him because when a man gets aroused this way, he can do anything.
Listen, now. I need to come.
Why is he still standing? Even if it's wrong, this time now, just help him.
Okay.
Please.
But is he going to come?
I will come fast. I will come.
Tony, you are here. It's because of you.
Please just go and do something about it. It's urgent.
I will come.
You said we come.
I will come.
Okay,
Do whatever you can.
I thought you said
Hey!
Oh. Wait, did you say you people have been on this guy since last night? How are you now handling him?
He did not come. Come down, Kwanumbanu. Go up, Umbanu. Igbim since last night.
Hey. Two of you, two heavy ladies cannot make this guy ejaculate.
Why? I can't even sit down. No.
See, there is no amount of thing that you will say when a man is aroused that will enter his head. He can even do anything to make sure that he penetrates.
I cannot give you. I cannot give you. I will not die.
One more.
What kind of thing is that?
Wait, is it this thing that is hurting you? Is it? How?
Hey!
I thought they said there is nothing women cannot do. I mean, hey? How is it hurting you? Is it? Did he put fire there or what?
I want to die. I will not die. I will not die in Jesus' name. Hey!
Alice!
Hey!
I have not known you with this kind of bola now.
Listen, I know you promised you would take it easy. Please just take it easy, I beg you. You said you will be gentle, you have to be gentle, please. My private part hurts everywhere, but just take it easy. Hey, my husband, please don't take it easy, take it easy. Hey, Chimo, you said you would take it easy. Why are you talking me like that? Hey, please now, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy.
Open it first. Open the gate. Open it. Open it.
Are they fighting?
When I was telling you, you thought I was joking.
Wait.
That's what we've been passing through.
Wait, must you people fight whenever you want to make out? Please, let's save this situation. The noise is much.
I never come. I won't come.
Hey, bam. Hey, this one wants to finish me. Oh, woo. Hey, I cannot take it. This is too much. Woo. I cannot. Oh.
I told you, Tony. I told you. Look at it.
I want to confess.
Eh?
I want to confess.
What do you want to confess?
Eh? You know my husband doesn't last long. I was the one that gave him the thing that caused this problem. Oh, it's me. I caused it. Yes. Since I got married,
Monica,
I have not enjoyed sex. My husband doesn't satisfy me. So I had to go and seek for solution.
Eh? What are you doing? Eh? Why did you just come down like that? Eh? Don't tell me that you have come. What did you do that is making you come?
Must you come?
What do you mean must I come? Don't you know you're supposed to satisfy a woman?
At the expense of my life. I want for you.
Alex, don't tell me this, What is the meaning of all this now? Look, I'm getting tired though. I am getting tired. I no longer find this funny.
I said I came twice.
What do you mean you came twice? See, but you better come and continue what you started.
Oh.
You will come and continue what... Alex, I need
Must
to come.
Must you come?
Yes, I must come.
I'm tired.
I'm not tired. You must come and do.
I came twice.
I don't care.
Sleep is not your birthday. I'll stop.
I need to come. Alex, I need to come. Oh.
Must you come?
I need to come. Yes, I must
you come?
I must come.
Come on to tape.
So, he has not been satisfying me. So I don't even allow him touch me. Because what is the use? I don't allow him touch me anymore. I have not been happy in this marriage at all. How can a man that I call my husband not even last up to 2 minutes? Eh?
Stop it.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
Why can't I perform my duty as the man of the house?
Man of the house indeed.
What is it?
Man of the house indeed. You 25 seconds man. What do you want to do? Eh? Even if you enter, I won't feel anything. Because you don't even last. So what's the point?
Me, 25 seconds man.
Is that not what you are? Is that not what you are? See, Alex, I beg you in the name of God. Allow me to sleep. Don't disturb me.
Monica, I paid your bride price. I married you in full.
And so what?
So this is mine anytime, any day.
Alex!
Give it to me.
Alex!
Whether you like it or not.
It's as if you don't want me to sleep in this room.
My friend.
You don't want me
Open
to
the
sleep in
gate.
this room.
Open
I
the
will
gate.
not open.
Open.
I said I will not open. So that was the genesis of everything. Because I don't let him touch me anymore. He went ahead to marry a second wife.
But then he married me. He married me. This my married man. The same thing. It was the same thing. It was the same thing. So I said to myself, he has to finish what he started though. He has to finish what he started. I said enough is enough. And then... You cannot come now. You cannot come. You cannot come. You can't come. You can't come. I just started now. Let me back. You cannot go. You cannot take. Let back. What kind of thing?
I'm done.
You will not do.
I don't come.
You will not come. You will not come.
I don't come.
Let me back.
I don't come.
Oh!
I don't come.
You don't go come.
I never come.
I never come. Let me back. Okay, I will climb you.
No,
I will
I
climb you.
don't come. I can't go beyond that. I don't reach my limit. I don't do my limit.
Tony, your friend is very terrible on bed. If he wants to scream, gosh, what is this? When he wants to scream like this, when he wants to ejaculate like this, he screams as if the whole world is coming down. What is that?
Too much.
And then, immediately he entered into me. I've not even started feeling the tip. I've not even felt the tip inside of me. Everywhere. Bah! The thing will come out everywhere. He has come. He has come. That's not all, Tony. That's not all. If I just take off, you see this towel I'm wearing? If I take it off like this, if he sees it with his eyes, water everywhere. Wait, am I lying? You not tell your friend. Tell your friend. Am I lying? Tell your friend. And I said to myself, I don't want to cheat. I don't want to cheat on my husband. So I had to do it. I did it. I had to do what I did.
Joy, leave me alone.
I will not. You have to make me come.
You have come now.
I have not come. You have to make me come.
Well, that is my limit. I can't go beyond my limit.
That is not my limit. You have to fulfill my limits. You have to make me come.
Listen, Joy, I can't give what I don't have. Leave me alone now.
You have to give me what I have. You have to make me come.
Joy, what's going on?
Thank God that you are here. Tell her to leave me alone. We just made love. I came. I can't go beyond my limits. She said, I should satisfy her. I should come back on top of her. Am I Jackie?
Monica, tell him to satisfy me. How can he just climb on top of me? It's not even up to 5 minutes and he came. No.
Says get duration. Wait. Says get duration. You get what they're saying 1 minute every 100 hours.
Wait. Is that the problem?
Yes.
Wait.
I'm not telling you. You have to make me go. What is this now? Why are you laughing? What's going on?
Shebi, I told you that our husband is a 25 seconds man. I did not believe. And I told you that anytime he wants to come, that is how he shout. Like a mad person. Now, have you seen it?
So it is true.
Hey!
This is what you have been suffering.
My dear, see, you don't need to complain.
Hey!
See all these things? This is what I've been facing.
This is punishment.
So, my dear, welcome to the 25 seconds husband.
This is punishment. No, me, I cannot take it away.
Enjoy yourself!
Hey!
I even thought something has happened.
This is punishment. Hey! Tony, as a woman, it is very important that her husband satisfies his wife so that the marriage will last. But Ale's case is different. Ale's case is worse. He cannot even perform. It is that bad, Tony. It is that bad.
You know, when I newly married my husband, I noticed this problem. So I reached out to the father and told him everything. So he was kind enough to get him a native medicine for him to drink. But yet, it did not work. Papa, that is exactly what I've been going through in this house. That's what I've been going through. And if something is not done fast, I mean fast, I'll be forced to leave my husband.
Bamba, my daughter, please don't say that. You know, marriage is for better, for worse. Better will assure you that we'll find solution to the problem, you know?
Okay.
Papa, don't mind what she said. She's lying. Papa, I'm trying. Just that I can't go above my limit. And I try me.
Alex, I think you should see a doctor as soon as possible.
For what exactly? No, for what exactly?
See, what we are talking here is not a casual issue. What we are talking here is a serious matter. She's complaining because she's a good woman from a good home. If you saw these wayward women, she will seek for satisfaction outside, and that will break the home. And you are not taking it serious. I don't like it.
Tell him, oh.
You need to do something. Alex, there's nothing to be embarrassed about this, okay? Our forefathers have solution to this kind of problem. We have been able to discover roots and herb to take care of all kinds of health issues. There's this particular native medicine, is specialized on this kind of problem. If I bring it, after taking it,
Papa, thank you. Thank you so much.
I'll cheer up. Everything will be fine.
He took the medicine, but there was no difference. There was no difference at all. I got tired.
You've been saying you want to confess something. I'm so much interested in hearing what you want to confess. Please, what is it?
Please, go ahead. That's true. What is it? So, I was wondering how else to help my husband. Because I love my husband very much. And the marital vows we took on the altar of God, for him to at least live up to his responsibility. Then, on a fateful day, so I saw this Aboki man selling this herbal medicine. And I called him.
If I take am, dey work well. My man go enjoy me. Go dey waste time for them.
Hi, madam. This one I dey give you. I don't finish up for this.
You
one.
sure?
I tell you.
This one is how much?
This one, give me 200.
Give me. No put her for leader. No man like that.
Buy your medicine, manpower. Buy your medicine, manpower.
Aboki, I better come.
Madam, they call her for me.
What see you they sell?
Me, I dey sell am for plenty medicine. I dey sell am. This one, I dey work for pie. This one, I dey work am for belly. This one, I dey work am for manpower. Manpower.
Now this manpower, this one.
This one, cool.
Now that one I want.
I put am for manpower. I dey work well.
You dey work?
Madam, I dey work well. If you want, I work until tomorrow. I don't finish work.
So you mean say if man take this thing now, it go last well.
Yo, wow.
It go stay long.
Okay, madam, this one I finish work for.
You sure?
Madam, me thunder pay me say this one I no work.
So how much they sell them?
This one, 1,500.
Only?
Gaskia.
1,500?
Gaskia.
Oh yeah, wait. Make I go bring money. Just wait.
Manpower. This one I will give her for madam. I don't finish work. Madam, I don't come.
I need this.
Madam.
So
I go put am. I go put am hot. I go shake am. I go drink am.
Okay, I go put am hot.
I go put am hot. I go shake am. I don't finish work. Oga, I go work till tomorrow.
How many make I give my Oga?
Oga, I go take am one shot. One shot. I don't finish work.
Now I go give am 4.
Madam, Oga, I go work till tomorrow. I go work.
But they work. They work, ba?
Just scare this one. I don't finish.
Thank you,
Madam.
They go.
Buy your manpower. Buy your medicine. Buy your medicine. Buy your manpower.
Hey! Monica, you called a booking man. Monica, why now? Hey. Monica, you're a very wicked woman. You're heartless, you're very wicked. You caused this thing for me! You caused this thing! Look at my body!
Now.
Look at my body! You caused it!
I'm sorry
Look at what I'm passing through because of you! Suffer alone now. Look at what you're causing for me.
See, I did it for us, so. I did it so that we can enjoy our husband. I did it for us now. I didn't know it was going to be like this. The Aboki man told me to give him 1 shot. But I ended up giving him 4. Because I thought 1 would not be enough. I wanted him to be active. I thought 1 would be too small. I didn't know the medicine was this powerful. Oh.
Monica!
I'm sorry.
4 shots!
I'm sorry.
Look at it now. Go here.
Hey.
Monica, what is the difference between you and the devil? Tell me, you knew that Agbo will metamorphose to this, yet you deceived me into taking 4 shots. 4! Monica, you must finish what you started. I swear. I must come. You must make love to me until I come, because if I don't come, I will die. In fact.
Tony, please hold your friend. Tony, hold your friend. Hold your friend.
To the room.
Hold your friend.
To the room.
You know I'm here now.
I said to the room. What do you mean by calm down? Don't tell me to calm down. This girl is wicked now. She gave me overdose. 4 shots. Now look at my condition and you're telling me to calm down. I need to come.
I understand.
She caused it. So let her solve my problem.
We are finding a solution to it. Please just have your seat.
To the room.
Alex, hear me out.
To the room.
Alex.
To the room.
We are finding a solution to this. I think you should just sit down.
I said to the room.
Alex, come. Just give me just come a bit, please.
You are evil.
Just come. Let me talk.
You gave me 4 shots. These are evil. 4 shots. Something they said I should take 1.
They are only trying to find solution to your problem. No woman will be happy to have a husband that ejaculates within few seconds. Have you forgotten what you told me at the bar the other day? That even if you just look at the woman, you will just ejaculate just like that. It's shameful. I mean, it's disheartening. Instead of making troubles with these ladies, let us put heads together and find a solution. This is your home. These are your wives. When you last longer, you will enjoy them. They will enjoy you.
Monica, you're not trying. You do this one. You do this one. You're not trying.
So they force me.
Which for us?
So that we can enjoy.
4 shots for us.
Don't make troubles. I'm here. Comport yourself. Control this thing. It shouldn't be controlling you. Please.
You know go better for you. You know go better for you. You know go ever better for you. You gave me 4 shots. Let us doctor.
Monica, how do we have access to this Aboki in question? Because I feel he should have a solution to whatsoever medicine he sells.
That's the problem, oh. It's a big problem. Because I didn't go to his shop. I met him on the road. I met him on the road and that was where I bought the medicine for my husband. I don't know if he's still around or if he has even left this state. You know these people now, they don't stay one place. They're always moving from one place to the other.
Hey! Okay, so this one now, death warrant too. Death sentence. Death sentence.
Hi.
Hi.
So what do we do? You will not die. You will not die.
I need to
you
come.
Will
I
not
need
die.
to make love. I must come. I need to come. If I don't come, I will die. This thing is, I don't even know how I'm feeling. Oh!
Hey, what do we do?
Oh!
What do we do?
Since you people don't want him to die, myself, I don't want to lose my friend. So I suggest, please, the both of you should just kindly take him in and do something about it. Even if it means touching him. If you are to suck him. Only an honor. Let your mouth code it in. I know, since this thing has gotten to this level, he's going to be gentle. I don't want to lose him. But do you people want him to die? Be gentle.
Tony, what are you saying? Sucking, doing this. Do you know what we've been doing since yesterday? No style. I did not give to this man. Backy, doggy, missionary, all this time, monkey style. I gave it to him. Suck him, suck. You know they come. You know we come. As my body don't pee. As a day I cannot do anything. My body it don't pee. I just managed to die here. Oh, my body is. I'm wounded here. You're telling me. I know they do. She can go. She caused it. Let her go and do it. As for me, I'm done.
Look, I'm not an option.
This thing is critical. I don't want to lose this guy. You might be here saying another thing. Another thing is going on inside. I'm not a woman. Wallahi, I would have helped him. Look, since the both of you are reluctant, helping my guy to just calm down. I need to go and find someone that will come and quickly do it before another thing will happen. Yes.
Are you planning on bringing an ashawo for her husband? A
Tony,
sex
you're not
worker?
the better person. Tony, I thought you are here to help. How come all of a sudden you mentioned that shower? How it happen? You've been giving it to our husband. You're not a good person.
Calm down. Can you have a critical matter at hand now? You're talking, pushing claims up and down. Give it whatever name you want to give it. We are talking about solution to... If you lose a whole man like this, do you know what you lost?
Joe, just calm down first. But the ashawo will he help our husband?
Of course, till she comes then.
Okay, fine. If she can help our husband to come, no problem. Let her come. Let her come and do the magic.
Whatever you want to do. Whatever I want to do.
We don't have a choice. Go
on now. You talk too much, Tony. Go and do whatever you want to do. He's screaming.
See, please just help me now and be doing something. Please, let me just quickly go. Don't just sit there and be complaining. Help him. It's just between you people and him alone.
Go fast. Hey, don't close the door.
Do something before I come back.
When you are honest, I'm not comfortable with this ashawo thing. I'm
You see this Tony? Tony is not a good person. Tony, he just revealed himself now. He's not a good person. Ashawo.
But we don't have
I'm not comfortable with this, so let me just tell you. How are we going to sit down and allow an ashawo make love to our husband in our presence?
Do you want to
They
make
might
love
even
to
do
him?
it in our matrimonial bed. I don't like it.
Do you want to make love to him?
Suspect, he has been giving our husband ashawo.
I'm not going to the room.
Tony is bringing. Honestly, Tony is coming.
To the room.
Monica, to the room. You got it.
To the room.
Monica, to the room.
To the room.
To the room. You got it. Monica, to the room. How can you?
I don't know what is happening, but I can feel.
If I die here, my blood will be on your head.
You will not die.
Look at what you cost.
You will not die.
I'm
tired.
Look at what you cost out of your selfishness.
You will not die, though.
Now what you find?
in the shout.
Oga no vex so. Now this Bola went at me. Hey! It's I don't get what you never see for streets.
Why they shout?
You want bring and down the roof.
What is me in this thing? No be this thing where they say every day by different men. Eh?
I say that.
Why you shocked?
Hey. You won't go fall for your head. Do your work.
Oh, Alana. Don't come, be say I don't come. Oga, you see this thing? Don't analyze them with my eye. To stress me. So you see that 50,000 won't talk. We'll double them.
Kilo there.
Give me 100,000. Last.
Kilo worry. She been you not talk 50,000 for that place. Why you come here can't they change figures? What's happen?
Okay, I know they see what I'm wrong.
It's different from the thing where you don't they see.
You know explain now for me now. This case different.
Begin to work, do something. Grab this thing, I beg. Make this thing come down.
100,000. Now see my eye too big. Go out to get longer throat. I'll go. Customer still there.
Okay.
Time never go.
Okay. No problem. We will give you the money. We will give you.
Fine. Now you're talking.
Let me get my phone.
Let me get my phone.
When you talk price finish, you come here clean change figure. What's your problem?
Okay, you know explain this.
You spending overnight? You want back come live with them? Maybe small something where you could just do rough handle and make this thing respect himself.
Okay, you see the way the thing.
Don't chop different sizes. Like this one now you don't fit chop.
Oh yeah. 2-2. Now type on for you. Time no day.
Type on.
Why they wait for this to make you begin to work
now?
Now?
Bank. Yeah, relax now. Ma confirm.
See, I don't want. Oh yeah, carry on. We can let it go.
Madam, no dey rush. Ma confirm.
Hurry up now. Why is it the waste time?
And get down.
Oh yeah, I beg, just grab me. Alex, I beg, get up, make you not enter room, go begin do.
Oga, take am easy now. You don't see the way this thing dey. No dey rush me. Rush me now if you go shift my wound, you understand? So calm down.
Which wound? We still get wound. They do something.
You understand?
Alex, I'm making like they go.
Hurry. Giant, they go.
Hold my guy from, please hold me on my fridge. I don't want to hear stories,
So two of you couldn't still do anything while I went to bring this girl? Are you this lazy? You're just busy shouting fire, hot, this, that.
You won't understand.
Are you not women again?
You won't understand.
There's nothing to understand here, please. Problem that you put him into, you couldn't help him out. What is this thing for?
Don't worry.
I'm no longer comfortable. I'm no longer comfortable about this arrangement. How can our husband be upstairs with an ashawo in a matrimonial room, and we are just here sitting down doing nothing? I'm very uncomfortable.
Monica, you know the reason why we did what we did. This is just temporary something. She didn't pack in here to come and live with your people. You that is even talking, are you not the cause of this problem? You're the one that put him into this condition. Instead of you to be saying something different, you're here opposing it. Did I do wrong by suggesting let's find a solution? You went and paid for satisfaction. Instead of you to embrace the satisfaction, you're not busy running away from satisfaction. Someone has come to give your husband satisfaction and you are here complaining.
Hey, both of you are to be blamed. You Tony, you're a bad influence. You're a bad no. So you knew there was an hospital, but you said they should bring an ashawo. I told you are not a good person. Why did you not suggest this hospital the first time? And you, Monica, I was telling you, I told you that ashawo is not going to work.
that bringing her shower a public toilet, you don't even know if they'll bring her to our matrimonial home. You said they should bring her. And now, see now.
Am I the one that brought their shower?
But why did you suggest it?
Is it not the one that brought their shower?
Don't complain.
Because we don't have a choice now.
Don't complain. I told you
we
the
don't
first
have
time.
a choice.
You are complaining. I don't complain.
But must it be in a matrimonial?
I don't even know. I told you that time. You refuse.
Hey, we don't have a choice, but it must not be in a matrimonial.
Until you don't. Why would you not agree? You see, you see? Wait. She can't. Hey, she can't even stand this.
I hope she endures it. I hope she endures it.
Alex. So 3 hefty women cannot calm one man down. I thought they said there is nothing women cannot do. Eh?
Anita, what's it? I beg. I cannot do again. This man won't kill me.
How?
I'm sorry, tell me. Ouch.
You two couldn't even calm him down.
I swear for my life.
My guy now my wax.
Hey!
You have to calm him down. That is why
you have to go back. No, you will go.
This your high tension never come back.
Now, come finish work now.
This transformer still they stand like this. What's happened now? You never help him.
You say still stand now. What did you come? Why did you not come here? You know fit.
Madam, you say this thing still stand. You don't come 2 times. Yes, you know agree, calm down. I don't do it.
My dear, you go back.
We paid you heavily for this. You go go bring and come down.
You have to finish what you started.
You don't make him come. Madam, I say this man don't come 2 times.
Listen. We brought you here to calm this thing down. If you cannot calm it down, you give us a refund.
Yes.
You will
refund us 100,000, no be 10,000. You refund us. You bring the money back.
Finish your
So
work.
go and finish.
Finish your work. That's why we brought
This thing has to come down. That was why we brought
you.
it.
He said tip. He said just tip. It will come down now.
He will be gentle.
Go.
Don't worry. Just go.
Go finish your work.
Go and finish.
Go try more.
Sorry.
Go try more, I beg.
Go. Don't worry. You will be gentle.
Don't come back here until you come down.
And I told you because you don't talk about it.
I do it.
And when you see Ashawo, don't even say
you have mouth. You can talk. You cannot open your body and calm your husband down. Me that brought solution, you are here finishing me. I have done a bad thing by suggesting that my friend should survive. Should I call you bad wives or what?
Men, they help men.
And I have helped you. You are bad-mouthing me.
Man, they help man.
Man, they help
this
man.
thing you know
Man, they help man. Man, they help man. Yes.
Thunder fire
you too.
Thunder fire you too.
Man, they help man.
I'm so confused.
That was all I gave you. Nothing else.
Monica, are you sure?
Nothing.
Oh, baby. Are you ready for me?
What's that?
Baby, this is called manpower. It will make you last long. It will make you last long on top of me.
Where did you get it from?
See, don't worry about where I got it from. Worry about the work it will do. It will make you live up to your responsibility as a man. You know, just the way I like it. See, and once you take this one, you will go 5 hours. 5 hours non-stop.
Let me see.
See it now. You can tell your wife love you so much.
Are you sure this will work?
Baby, trust me. It's me, Monica, now. Will I give you something that will not work? This one will make you go 5 hours. So what you have to do now, I'll give you some and you'll drink. You drink it back? Baby, trust me now. Don't you trust your wife? Just hold on. Oh yeah, drink it. Baby, drink it. So you can be a man. Wait, just take it, Drink.
Drink now, baby. This thing is not even smelling.
Not again. Eh?
Hey. See, please, let's go and save this girl before we start facing another case. Please.
What's happened?
We know they give you back. This man wants to kill me.
Don't break her from my breast. Don't break her from my breast. Open this door. What happened to anyone? Hey, one now. What did you happen? This one is carrying the book. Oh, God. Like, see more guy, don't do it. Like, hey, what? My Oga, I dey hear you.
She don't go.
She don't go.
She don't run, Abi?
She don't know.
Continue. When I don't rest now. Continue.
Calm down, just calm down. Calm down.
I need to come now. Come now. I want to come. Enough of this drama. Come, make I come. I say come, make I come.
Alex, take it easy. Alex, don't kill them. Take it easy, please.
Open up this door. Alex, what is this? What is this? Monica, is that what you're telling?
This is it. This is exactly what I was telling you. Eh, Papa?
Alex.
Papa.
Chimo.
He has been like this since yesterday.
Since yesterday?
Since yesterday.
What kind of problem is this?
Alex,
woman.
Hey, wait.
Mama.
What is this?
Mama, help me.
Mama, this is exactly what I told you on phone.
Just stay there, please, my son. No, don't just come close to me. No, to avoid accidental discharge. I shouldn't be the one to help at this moment. What is this?
Mama, this is exactly what I was telling you on phone.
Stay there.
Alex, just be
now.
It's okay, sit down.
Oh.
Hey.
Try.
What kind of situation?
My husband. Hey, wait. My in-law. What go back, God? Please, I beg you. The best thing is solution at this time. It has happened. That all this grammar we are speaking here doesn't make sense. The best thing is solution. Let's think of what to do, please.
Exactly.
Hospital.
Hey. What I'm thinking now, I don't even know what I'm thinking. I've never seen a situation like this my entire life. I don't know what to do.
Papa, solution.
Let's just take him to the hospital. That is the best available option now. We need to go to the hospital. Please.
Are you sure we're going to find solution at the hospital?
Let's just try.
Of course. There must be an injection that can be given to him to neutralize whatsoever medicine that their booking must have given him.
Please.
If we are going to the hospital, cover my face. Oh, just cover my face.
He is right. Please, to avoid shame. This is a very disgraceful thing.
Your face is not important right now. Let's go.
Don't just stand. Let's go.
how is my husband? The doctor is in the best position to answer me this question. But is he okay? Can't you tell us anything?
Excuse me.
Okay. Doctor, please, how is my husband?
His condition is a bit stable now. As a result of the injection we gave to him earlier. And in no time, it's going to be fine.
Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you.
And doctor, please, how long will it take him to be alright?
Let's say 2 to 3 hours. He'll be fine. Yes.
Well, that's fair enough then.
He'll be fine, doctor. Yes, please.
I hope nothing will happen to my son.
No, sir. He's going to be fine. Like I said, he's recuperating as a result of the injection we give to him. You see, this is why we advise people not to always take some substances that are harmful to the system, especially when they are not NAFDAC recommended.
Okay.
If such cases happen, just come to the hospital for proper medical attention instead of taking some substances that is not good.
Doctor, I have learnt my lessons. I will never do it again. I won't.
As a matter of fact, you have to throw that substance away.
Yes, doctor.
As a matter of urgent, as urgent as possible.
Yes,
try and throw it away, okay?
Okay, doctor.
And don't use it again.
Okay, doctor.
Doctor, please, we need a close watch on him.
I know, but right now you cannot go in and see him. So I would advise you just wait, like I said. 2 hours is not much. He's going to be alright. Just wait a bit, he'll be fine.
Okay.
I'll be right back, eh?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey! Thank God is fine. Wait.
Now that it's alright, both of you should make sure that he gets enough rest. In fact, after you take him to his room, let him rest. And so that we also can go and have some rest. It's been a stressful day for all of us.
Yes, Papa. Yes, Papa. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Enough. Please, make sure you take your drugs the way the doctor prescribed it, okay? And don't take any substance you are not sure of, especially that Aboki one. You know?
Papa, as a matter of fact, I'm going to throw it away. I will throw it immediately, since the doctor already condemned it.
You need to do that.
Since the situation has been put under control, I'll have to take my leave. If there is any other further development, please don't fail to inform me. I will make myself available. I don't pray that becomes.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming, eh? Thank you.
We appreciate you.
You've really been of help. Thank you.
You're a very good friend.
Friends
like you are rare to find these days. Thank you very much.
Papa, what happened to my friend was what I watched in the movies while we were growing up. I never knew that this kind of a thing could happen to my own bosom friend.
Oh, my children, please, you should take care of yourselves. So. Just like my in-law said, we should be on our way. Like this, me, I'm fagged out.
Okay, Mama, I'll call you, Mama. Thank you for coming, eh?
Thank you. Obian.
Alex, take a good rest, you know? I think we'll be on our way.
Alright.
So he will drop us.
I don't know what is happening, but I can feel
our handsome husband. The most handsome man I know. You're looking very sharp.
I'm lucky to have both of you as my wife.
Someone is making us blush.
Yes? What are you doing here?
Mr. Alex, I am pregnant for you.
Is this one normal?
No, she's not normal.
I have my sanity intact. I am normal.
Well, shut up. I shall they get belly. I mean, no get sense.
Ask me,
I beg. Enough of all the insults. I'm already paying being a prostitute, so no add join my problem. I beg.
Hey, shut up. Now we make you be a shower. Which one you got shine eye for you?
Hey.
Now we make you be a shower.
You think if I was joking, I'll be here? I am pregnant for him, and I want him to take responsibility. That's all.
Hey, my friend, will you shut up? Get out. Leave. Before I do something that you will regret. Leave!
I am going nowhere.
My friend, you will go by fire by force.
Enough.
Why are you stopping us from doing
it? I don't get it.
Why are you stopping us?
It's not a fighting match.
It is, oh. Wait, Alex, don't tell me you want to accept this bastard she's carrying.
Alex, my husband. Oh, crying out. See, this girl now shower.
Tell him.
Shower now. Public toilet now. People they enter, they come out now. Because they enter, you want to give you this thing.
I am very sure she must have gotten pregnant from one of those men that have been sleeping with her. And she's now looking for someone that will come and take responsibility.
Kabeg. I be a shower no miss I no get sense so.
You don't get sense.
I am not a baby. And I don't have sex with men without protection. When I ask Sam now, the last time when I come here, we don't use protection. 9 days they ask Sam.
I want to know so you know they do with other people without protection.
My sister.
Come and carry responsibility.
My sister.
What's that her name? What's her name?
My name is Anita, aka Annie Baby, for short.
Are you 100% sure of what you're saying that I'm responsible for this pregnancy?
I am very sure, sir. I can swear on everything I believe in. You are.
See this one, you won't swear, you will just die. You won't swear. You go die.
You're a big liar.
You will die. You want to
You're
swear.
a liar.
It's okay. The only way to confirm this, it's very easy. We're going for a DNA test. DNA test.
One.
It's fine. It's okay. You can go anywhere you want to confirm that this baby is his. It's okay. It's fine.
I mean, shut up. We don't talk.
I'm very sure you'll be exposed. Bloody liar. That is what you are.
They said it to go carry belly for you.
Want to come and double pregnancy on her husband?
Please, DNA test.
DNA test. Let's go and do it.
DNA test.
DNA. Final. We'll do DNA.
Which kind of one like this?
Now that the blood samples have been taken, we'll conduct the tests, and once the result is ready, we'll let you know.
Okay. Yes, sir. I would like to know how long the test result will take before it's available.
It's not going to take too long. Let's say 3 to 5 weeks approximately. It will be ready.
Alright, doctor. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Alright.
What are you even saying, Alex? No, tell me, what are you saying? See, it's entirely your fault too. It's your fault. Because why would you sleep with an shower without protection? Who does that?
When you're not young, you use a condom. But listen, let me tell you. If the DNA test confirms that the baby is mine, I will be very happy. Yes.
Why?
After all, you people said I'm 25 seconds man that could not get a woman pregnant. That same 25 seconds man has now gotten someone pregnant. That simply means that you people are not fertile.
Beg, please, Alex, don't start with that. This girl, she's an Ashawo public toilet. Different people go in and come out, Alex.
She's an Ashawo. But the Ashawo has conceived.
No, we should clap for you now. You have gotten an Ashawo pregnant. No, we should clap for you. Just look at what is coming out of your mouth. I am ashamed of you. I am ashamed.
Wait, Monica, come to think of it. What if this DNA test result comes out and it turns out to be that Alex here is the father of that child? What are we going to do?
She will abort it.
Abi?
She must abort it. Yes. If truly she's pregnant, she will abort it.
My problem with you is that you don't know how to talk. Don't you know your limit? You're not in the position to decide.
Okay.
Yes.
No problem.
Alex.
If the baby turns out to be mine, she will not abort it.
You don't have a choice.
I will make her my third wife.
Hey, marry her.
Alex, you don't have a choice. You don't have a...
Marry. Wait. What is this?
Down now.
Yellow Sisi asked you to bring this back and you brought the bag. You don't have sense. Did you come?
What are you doing here? Ashawo?
I have come to stay.
Stay where?
What the both of you could not do in years, I did it in one day. So I have come to stay in my husband's house.
Which husband? No, tell me. Did you marry any husband here? No, husband. Tell us. When did you marry a husband?
Listen, stop. Enough of all that. Stop.
Alex, don't do this. Alex,
calm down.
Alex.
I said I will handle this. Anita, you're not supposed to be doing this. Calm down. If the DNA test proves that the baby is mine, then I will decide whether you move in or not.
Bam!
So wait for me to decide. Why are you fast forwarding?
I know, why are you fast forwarding? Good question.
I was asked to move in pending when the result comes out.
You asked by the president of the country.
You see this rubbish you're carrying in there? You're going to abort it. But if you don't have money, you will say so. You will tell us, we can give you money so you can abort that thing you're carrying.
I beg. A condition made me this street, they hear me so.
So you're still talking?
And let me make it clear to you. I have never done an abortion before. And whatever the result may be, I am taking care of this child.
Shut up! Now you're going to tell us a condition. I'm waiting for a condition. You see this today? You go do abortion. You go. I am going.
You will abort the baby. Okay, you don't go anywhere.
Alex, talk to your wife.
Where's that man?
Get out!
Ahmed!
Henry, bring the bag.
Ahmed!
Come on, be quick. Leave our house. Come on, be quick.
Come on.
I am not going anywhere.
You say what?
Where's that bag? Get out! Where's Ahmed? Ahmed, come and take this rubbish.
Bring your bag.
Take this rubbish bag out of this. Ahmed!
Come and carry it.
Come and take this out of this place. Take it.
Take it outside. If you ever let that prostitute into this house, just consider yourself dead. You are dead and gone. Just carry this rubbish.
That's a shower. Come on. After getting herself pregnant with one stupid man out there.
Can you imagine?
Useless dirty man outside. You better go send outside. You think it's a yash? You want to confuse our husband with your yash? We have yash. I have yash.
Get up! I said, close that gate. Close that gate.
I welcome you all once again.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. All right. With me here is the result of the DNA test we conducted. And of course, it shows a perfect compatibility.
Doctor.
Yes, please.
What do you mean by that?
Doctor, you see that result in your hand, You need to confirm it because this girl here, she's an ashawo.
Ashawo,
that's what she does for a living. In fact, we invited her to our house to help us out.
Come here.
Now what do you find?
Hey!
Wait in the shop.
Oga no vex so. Now this bola went at me.
Hey!
It's I don't get with university for streets.
Why they shout?
I don't understand. You won't bring and down the roof.
What is me in this thing? No be this thing where they say every day by different men. Eh?
The thing I say that.
Why you sure?
Hey. You won't go fall for your head. Do your work.
Oh, Alana. Don't come, be say I don't come. Oga, you see this thing? Don't analyze them with my eye. Go stress me. So you see that 50,000 won't talk. Go double them.
Kilo there.
Give me 100,000. Last.
Kilo worry. She been you not talk 50,000 for that place. Why you come here can't they change figures? What's happen?
Okay, I know they see what I'm wrong.
It's different from the thing where you don't they see.
You know, explain now for me now. This case different.
Begin to work, do something. Grab this thing, I beg. Make this thing come down.
100,000. Now see my eye too big. Go out to get longer throat. I'll go. Customer still there.
Okay.
Time never go.
Okay. No problem. We will give you the money. We will give you.
Fine. Now you're talking.
Let me get my phone.
Let me get my phone.
When you talk price finish, you come here clean change figure. What's your problem?
Oga, you want to explain this?
Are you spending overnight? You want back come live with them? Maybe be small something where you could just do rough handle and make this thing respect himself.
I don't see the way the thing.
Don't chop different sizes like this one. Now you don't fit chop.
One about this.
Oh yeah. 2-2. My type on for you. Time no day.
Take type on.
Why they wait for this to make you begin to work
now?
Bank.
Oh yeah. Relax now. Ma confirm.
See, I don't want. Oh yeah, carry on. We can let it go.
Madam, no dey rush. Ma confirm.
Hurry up now. Why see the waste time?
And get down.
Oh yeah, I beg, just grab me. Alex, I beg, get up, make you not enter and go begin do.
Oga, take am easy now. You don't see the way this thing dey. No dey rush me. Rush me now if you go shift my womb, you understand? So calm down.
Which womb? You stick a womb. They do something.
You understand?
Alex, I'm making that they go.
Hurry. Giant, they go.
Hold my guy from, please hold me from my fridge. I don't want to hear stories,
So two of you couldn't still do anything while I went to bring this girl? Are you this lazy? You're just busy shouting fire, hot, this, that. Are you not women again?
You won't understand.
There's nothing to understand here, please. Problem that you put him into, you couldn't help him out. What is this thing for?
So it's not possible.
It's not.
She has been sleeping with other men before she came to our house.
It's not possible.
So confirm the results very well.
Madam, I may not know about that. I don't want to delve into your family affairs. But the result of the test is what I just told you.
It's not possible.
Stop reacting to bitter people. These people are bitter. Please continue with what you were saying. And you see they're bitter. Continue.
It's okay, Mr. Alex. You see, the result shows that you're the real biological father of the child.
For real? For real. Or game me. Thank you very much, my man. Come here. Oh. Wow. This is beautiful. Thank you very much. Thanks for proving them wrong. And thanks for making me trust you more.
You see, when I was saying it, the both of it was right. Evidence not there, Abi.
Shut up,
Shut up! No, I don't confirm.
Keep quiet!
Next time I'll come and put that here. Break your head down.
Talking.
He dey play, he dey show.
Nothing they show.
Bring her to the house now, let's see.
You see this girl, she will not.
No, let her come to the house.
DNA, no dey lie.
Okay.
I beg you.
No. All I know is that she's not coming to the house.
She will not come.
She's not coming anywhere.
Someone that will throw you people out.
Ow!
House.
Someone that is carrying air to the throne.
Okay.
Impossible.
We will find out.
Impossible.
We will find out. Borrow post woman. Want to share in the house? Ha!
I'm proud of you.
You are proud of me.
All right.
That your kindness. You stand
It's okay.
outside.
You can all go now.
Jealousy.
All right.
Jealousy. We do not jealous people. We cannot jealous evil. We cannot jealous evil. Ashawo will not come to that house. We cannot jealous evil. You will not come to that house. Okay.
It's family. Honestly.
Okay. I think I need to attend to other patients. Nurse!
My husband.
My band house.
You see that Ashawo? She is not coming into this house. Never lie. She's not coming into this house. Oh.
Who is the
Just know it.
Who is the owner of this house? Me or you?
It's our house.
There is nothing like our. When I buy block, you don't follow me buy it. It is my house. Okay. For your information, she is on her way coming here. And there is nothing both of you can do about it.
I see. A big lie. There is something we can do.
I married both of you since God knows when. Conceive, no way. Conceive, let's even have miscarriage. No way. Now they are sure that you got pregnant after experiencing me just once. What does that explain? It simply means that both of you are not fertile.
That's a lie.
Me, I am fertile. I don't know what you are talking about. I'm very fertile.
Look at you. Even you that I think would be better, you are worse. Only God knows what you did in the past that condemned your womb.
And only God knows what you did in the past, what you did with that your thing in between your leg that you cannot even last up to even warm it. You are 25 seconds, man. It is you. Did you put anything in my body? Did you put anything? Am I going to impregnate myself?
See, I have said my own. That Ashawo is not coming into this house.
Stop calling her Ashawo.
She's an Ashawo.
You are not in the position to decide who comes into this.
I'm your wife and I'm calling her an Ashawo. That's what she is.
The new Ashawo is my new wife.
Okay.
Ahmed, what is it?
I see on that Ashawo woman, I don't come again.
Shut up. Point of correction. She is not an Ashawo. She is my new wife. Treat her with respect. Do you understand?
They day, sir.
In fact, let's go. I need to welcome my new wife myself.
Come on. You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Open the gate. Open the gate.
You're not bringing that shower into this house. You are not bringing that shower into this house. You wear which cup? Okay, go back. Go back. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going to? Where do you think you're going?
You're not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
If I never had somebody.
She's not going. We're not afraid of her. She's not going anywhere. Let's go.
Don't mind the details. They are suffering from overfeeding. Overfeeding, that's their problem.
No, let that pass. Let me pass.
Okay. Don't imagine. You want to take a shower to this house?
Impossible. Impossible.
Not in this house.
No, let her come and pass.
We are waiting.
What is the real case?
Leave which way? You want to bring a shower to this place? It will not happen.
It will never happen.
Excuse me, I need to take my new wife to her room.
Which room? And you? Where did
you're going to? Where do you think you're going to, Ashawo?
Shower, kobo. For one couple.
I don't want to hit you, but if you force me, I will do. Leave my way.
See, Alex, this is not what you promised me. You didn't say this when you came to marry me. You told me you would never marry a third wife. Now you want to marry an Ashawo. I will not agree. That's not what you promised me. I will not agree. She's not going anywhere.
Yes, when I came to marry you, I promised that. But I never knew you were barren.
Not barren.
Yes. You can't conceive. As in a heart starting up and down. No time to check time. And this Ashawo, as you people call her, is carrying my unborn child, and that's ultimate.
Just see the way you're treating us. See the
way
you're treating your legally married wife.
Listen, enough of the drama. Excuse me.
Yes, we're not excusing anything.
We are not going.
Not with this Ashawo.
We are not going.
Excuse me, 2.
3.
Excuse me, 2.5.
3.
1 and 2.
There you go.
Come on, pass now.
You can't pass here. You can pass, but you see this Ashawo, she will never pass here.
Just see the way you're treating us. She will never.
It's been drunk.
Who was sure you shake in this house? Okay, you think you're gonna take our husband?
My love, from this moment, here is your official bedroom.
Okay, baby.
Please sit. Let me transfer their stuff to the other room.
Okay.
It's not possible. It's not possible. That dog will not stay in this house. I will not let it go. I've had enough of this rubbish.
See, it's not about ranting. What are we going to do? We have to evict her out of this house. Because, like you said, she can't stay here. We need to do something.
Look, I'm trying to think of something. I have so many things running through my head.
Hey, Monica, tell me now, what and what do you have running through your head? You know we are in this together. We have to fight this battle together. Just put me through.
I have an idea. Okay. Come with me. Let's go.
Thank God you are here. Listen and listen carefully.
Why are you with my stuff? What's going on?
Henceforth, you will be joining Joy in her room. Yes.
So what happens to my matrimonial bed?
Your matrimonial bed now belongs to someone that is carrying my unborn child. She has more value than you. Take.
I see. Big lie. I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving this room for this ashawo. If there's anybody that should leave this room, it should be this slut you brought in here.
Stop calling my wife ashawo.
That is what she is.
Stop calling my wife ashawo.
She's an ashawo.
You are not any better. Stop.
Ashawo kobo.
Join her in her room.
I'm not going
That's
anywhere.
Fine now.
I am not going anywhere.
Okay. I can stay in the other room.
I
don't want any problem.
That's where you belong.
Better.
Better person.
You see, a girl that has home training, she said no, she doesn't want problem, that she can go to the other room. But guess what?
But she knows that's where she belongs.
You are going nowhere.
She will leave.
This is my house.
Let me tell you something. If you don't stand up from here now, and get out of this room, I will kill that thing you're carrying in your womb.
Excuse me. What is she? You kill what?
That thing she's carrying.
No, very, very. Are you mad? Are you sick?
This is too much now. Hey, what kind of... Wait.
I don't like your wig. Careful. In fact, I'm kind of talking. Leave my room. Leave my room!
We're not going, no.
Did you slap me because of this?
Ashawo.
No, I hugged you. Leave my room. I'm done talking.
It's too much now.
I said leave.
Ha! You will kill me, oh! You will kill me!
You are the new queen. Feel free. Are you getting me? Don't let this drama get to you. You are the new queen. Feel free, yeah? I love you, baby. Relax, let me massage your feet.
Alex, I really don't want any trouble.
This is not trouble. This is how we treat people like this. Oh, kind of fine legs. Oh, oh my God. Don't let this get to you. I know how to handle it.
Alex.
Baby.
From what I just witnessed now with your wives, I don't think I'll be able to live in this house with them. Just allow me go back to where I'm coming from, because I don't have strength to fight anymore.
No, don't say that, baby. It will never happen, okay? I love you with everything in me, and that's what matters. Forget those people. If I tell you what I've been through in their hands, you will pity me. Is it the humiliation? So please, forget them. I promise to defend you. No one will harm you, okay?
Alex, boy, it's so obvious. Look at what just happened. They are so aggressive. Are you sure you're going to defend me?
Listen, I promise to defend you with the last drop of my blood. Relax, okay? You're the queen here. I got you.
Wake up!
What is the meaning of this?
Well, we, your wives, we have come to sleep on a matrimonial bed.
Listen, This is no longer your matrimonial bed.
Says who?
You lost the right because you are barren. You couldn't conceive. So this room now belongs to her because she's carrying my baby. No this and no peace now.
Alex, I am your lawful wedded wife. You married us legally. So you cannot tell me this rubbish because of this ashawo. Anyways, enough of the drama. Joy, go to the other side.
I will now, you know. Ashawo, get out.
Go to the other side.
Ashawo, respect yourself and get out.
Enough of this talk. Go to the other side.
Chief, get out. Chief!
Drama, get out.
Give this room.
If you okay? Sorry. Your stomach. Did she match your stomach? She pressed your stomach. Which one?
I don't know what is happening, but I can feel a lot of things in my head, a lot of things walking around me. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? I'm living on.
Ever since I got married to this man, I have never seen him this happy. Does it mean pregnancy can make a man this happy? He's even feeding her with so much excitement. Something he has never done to me before. I can't bear this pain anymore. I would die of jealousy if this continues.
I don't know if I have to play a game, cause I'm living on the wall. I'm so confused.
Obim, my husband, I'm sorry. I know I've wronged you. I'm very sorry. Obim, please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Look, I promise, henceforth, I will be a good woman. I won't fight again. I won't quarrel with anybody.
Complete it now. The devil is the one pushing you or using you, Abi. Well, the devil is too busy for people like you. You? Have you forgotten how I married you? All of a sudden, you want to kill me before my time? You started dramatizing, you became annoying, you became stressful. What was that for? Okay, all of a sudden, you are not a changed person because you have a new rival.
No, it's because I love you.
Listen to me. You can't fake love for me. Your apology is not accepted.
Hi, Obim. Don't do this to me now. I love you so much. I love you. That's why I'm asking for your forgiveness.
I said your apology is not accepted. Leave my room.
Oh. So some people can actually go down on their knees and apologize. Wonderful.
My love, you're here. Please excuse me, I have time for fake love.
Hey, my husband, don't do this, so. Don't do this. So remember, I'm your first wife. It's okay, and you people should stop. You people don't even have sympathy. Eh? How can you be doing this in my front?
Madam, no one will sympathize with you because you are evil. You are not a good woman. In fact, I'm not talking. Leave my room.
It's fine, I will go. I will go. I will go.
Yes. all of a sudden you are now a changed person because someone new and hot is around.
My baby, come here.
Sugar.
Change this program.
Honey.
Hey!
Honey.
Our baby is back!
Hey, shh! Go back. I said go back to your position.
Someone's gonna even welcome you.
Honey? Honey?
Yes, darling.
What's up, baby? Oh, look at her. Look at her. How are you?
Welcome, I'm fine.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Oh, get it. Guess what?
What is it?
I bought some for you.
Oh my God!
It's all yours.
Oh my God!
Oh, this is so
beautiful.
Alex!
I don't like your wig.
Wow!
My husband.
My husband. You have done well. So where is our own?
Are we not your wives too? Where's our own now?
Ask me.
I can't waste my hard-earned money buying stuff for barren people. No. I bought it for her because my seed is in here, growing and glowing.
Which glowing? How do you know it's glowing? How do you know it's glowing?
Indeed.
Only you know what? I made your favorite.
For real?
Yeah. So just go in, freshen up. And after lunch, we'll go back to the bedroom so I can give you some sugar, baby.
Oh. Go ahead, fire. Jealousy.
Jealousy is the root of evil. Jealousy too. Jealousy, you are evil. What's your head? If you touch jealousy too.
Barren cartel.
Carry your bush woman. A shower woman. That's what you are.
Me, I'm jealous in evil. Jealousy too. You're the one jealous of us. Baby, is it painful?
It's painful now.
Hey, why didn't you hit him back now?
You don't know our husband.
Do. Hey,
because of this stupid Ashawo.
Evil Ashawo girl. She will get miscarriage. You see that thing they are going to do in that room? By the time he puts it, miscarriage.
I don't know what is happening, but I can feel.
Go now.
You want me carrying the bed? Do you need anything?
Baby.
Like ice cream, suya, just name it.
No, for now.
You're sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Let me check on that baby. I can't wait. You know what? This house, my fixed deposit, in fact, whatever I have, man belongs to you and our unborn child. Yes.
Thank you, baby.
Let's choose name for this baby.
Okay.
So if it's a boy, we call him, Alex Jr. or Anita Jr.
What if she's a girl?
I want a boy. Okay, but if it is a girl, that means we will name her Anita Jr.
Right.
Or Annie baby, or small
Anita!
It's Ashawo Jr. Ashawo Kobo Jr. That is what you will name that baby there. No, Anita Junior. And you want to take inheritance. What did he not work for? So Anita Junior kill you there. Come on, inherit things now. Ashawo Junior. Ashawo Papa Junior.
Jealousy will choke some people.
Jealousy. Yeah, just look cool. No, be catwalking.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. You know what? I will sit down here and be looking at you for 5 hours. Let them go.
That's my baby.
This is becoming so unbearable for me. How can my husband channel all his love and attention to her alone? I can't even remember the last time he touched me. No. Enough is enough. I have to do something, and I have to do it very fast.
Baby, it is obvious a stranger has taken our husband from us. Hey, if you see what I saw in the parlor, if you see the way they were playing, they even ignored me. No respect, no regard. Alex doesn't have respect for us again. He doesn't have respect for me again. And that useless girl. I wanted to confront them now, but I just kept my cool. I know why I kept my cool. Because you know Alex, before you know now, you start turning somebody to a punching bag, beating somebody. So I just have to keep calm. But you see that girl, I will deal with her. Babe, are we going to allow this to happen? Eh? What are we going to do now? This girl cannot take her husband from us. She's a stranger, for crying out loud now. Are we going to allow her to take her husband from us? Monica. It's like this girl, she's not concerned that a stranger wants to take our husband from us. Why is she not answering me? Well, that is her business. As for me, that girl, that stranger cannot take my Alice from me. She cannot take my Alice from me. Monica.
How did you get in here? What's the meaning of this?
I came here to get pregnant.
Which pregnant?
Get me pregnant now. Are you not my husband?
We all know that you are barren.
God forbid. Your wife is not barren. I'm not barren.
You are barren.
I'm not. See, let me tell you. I'm in my heat period. So anything you do to me, just one shot, it will enter.
Heater, leave my room.
Baby, don't do this. I'm your first wife. You don't see me.
Hey guys, it's your girl Anita, aka Annie baby, aka Annie of the good life. So guys, I know you all have missed me so much and I'm back as you can see.
Where's Monica and Alex, my husband?
So guys, like I was saying, I am back and...
I'm talking to you. Where's everybody?
Excuse me.
Where's my husband?
Did you just hit me?
Yes, I did.
Listen to me. When next you want to talk to me, you talk to me. You don't use your hands, okay?
I will use my hands because you just came here. You are not attending to me, so I have to hit you for you to listen to me.
And point of correction. He is not your husband. He is our husband, okay?
You wish. My friend, where is my husband? Where's my husband?
You're still saying your husband. Maybe you don't want to talk to me. Talk to the house. Maybe you talk to the room or something. I don't think you're talking to me.
Why am I wasting my time?
Hey guys, sorry for that little distraction. So I am back and
Come. Where's everybody? I can't find Monica, I can't find my husband. Answer me now, what is your problem? Where's everybody?
Have you checked around?
I just did. I can't find anyone. I can't find Monica, I can't find my husband.
Then go ask Ahmed the gate man. Probably she stepped out or something.
I just did. Ahmed said she didn't go out. So where is Monica? Where is my husband?
What?
What?
Wait. Hope is not what I'm thinking. Alex. Is not what I'm thinking.
Hope it is not what she is thinking.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Hold on.
Oh, it's you.
What is going on here? What does it look like?
Well, I just finished having a good time with my husband. After many months of being lonely. Because of you and this thing you're carrying.
Darling, is that true?
Oh, sweetheart, you don't need to ask him. Isn't it glaring enough? Well, I won't stand here and exchange words with you. I have better things to do and I need to rest. I mean, after having a good time with my baby.
And very soon, it will be my turn.
Yes, so.
Baby boy, I'm coming for you. I'm coming to give you.
Alex, can you explain what just happened?
What do you want to hear? We made love. Don't forget she's still my lawfully wedded wife, regardless.
Alex, but you told me you were not going to touch any of them until they get frustrated and leave the house. So what is this?
Yes, I said that. But I couldn't resist her when she came.
Can you just hear yourself talk? Anyways, I am not surprised. Men will always be men! Excuse me.
And men are supposed to be women before.
Alex, leave me alone. I am leaving. I am leaving so I can have all the time to look at them. I am going with my child so you can have all the time to frolic with your concubines.
Hey. It is you this Ashawo. You are the one that is a concubine.
Even your generations are concubines.
Yes.
You shut up now. Shut up.
Alex, did you hear that? Did you hear her call me a shower in your presence? Alex, I am leaving. I've had enough of this. I am leaving.
Baby.
Leave me alone.
Please now. Okay. Because of my unborn child. Don't go. Forget these people. Don't mind them now. You mind your business.
Oh, Alex. In fact, my husband. Allow this Ashawo to go now. What are you doing with Ashawo? Allow Ashawo to go.
Alex.
Baby, please.
If you want me to stay back, then do the needful. You know what to do.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Your wish is my command.
I want you to send them away. They are stressing me.
It is you that will leave. You this Ashawo. You are the one that will leave.
And also, I felt so jealous about what you did yesterday with Monica. I don't want them here. Send them away.
So you want them to go?
Yes.
I should send them away?
Yes.
Say no more. Your wish is my command. But first thing first, come inside.
Hey, leave care. Fire.
Leave fire. Come and carry us now.
Baby, please, let's go in. They are leaving this minute, but go in first. Okay?
I'll go in because of you and this unborn child.
Love you.
But one more thing. That Ashawo that they've been calling me in this house, I want you to call them the Ashawo.
So you want me to call them their own Ashawo too?
Yes.
Say no more. Monica, Ashawo 1. That's what you. Ashawo 2, Ashawo 3, Ashawo 4, Ashawo 5, Ashawo. And as for you, Joy, Ashawo. In fact, Awusha, Ashawo, Awusha.
Alex!
My husband.
Me! You are calling me Awusha? Awusha, Alex, me!
Is that not what you are? What were you doing before I married you?
What did you come there to do?
So it's because of this
Ashawo Kobo.
Because of this prostitute, you're calling us Ashawo.
You, where we meet? No, tell me, where we meet before I marry you? No be for Ashawo join. No be where they do. No be where they do Ashawo for Port Harcourt, I jam you.
What did you go find there? What did you go do there?
What did you go find there?
Ashawo.
Don't deny your former profession. How are we even sure it's former? I'll be giving them Ashawo 5-5. Come in first. Trust me, they're leaving.
Alex, they are stressing me.
Baby, say no.
I'll only go in because of you.
I'm my unborn child now. Please.
Talk to them. They should stop all these things they are doing.
Baby, come in first.
Come and go now.
He's not going there. She's not going there.
No, come and go now. Let me see.
Alex.
Come and go.
You know say I don't like your green wig, normally.
No, nobody should come.
This place. Baby, come in first.
Ashawo!
Husband Asha! Come
Ashawo!
Husband
Ashawo, that's what you are.
Enough is enough. I said no now. Nonsense. Leave my house. Leave my house.
We're not going anywhere.
I'm so sorry. You'll be fine, okay?
Okay. My father don't forget. Look at bring them inside.
Of course. Let my father in. But don't let those witches in. Okay. That's if they are still there.
Okay, Oga.
I'm sorry. So sorry. Sorry, baby. Good day, Papa.
How are you?
Papa, welcome.
Thank you, my son. How are you feeling?
I'm getting better.
This is terrible. So this is true.
Hey. Son, please. I saw them at the gate as I was coming in. They were pleading. They made me to understand that since morning, they have not eaten anything. They've not drank any water. Please. I'm pleading on their behalf. I know what they did is very bad, but it has happened. We cannot turn back the hand of time, please. Forgive them for my sake. Please.
They are witches. They want to take me to my early grave. Honey, what do you think?
Baby, it's okay. Just allow them in. Since your father is pleading on their behalf.
Ahmed! Please help me call
Ahmed!
Yes, Oga. Yes, Oga.
Bring those options.
Sorry, no? Sorry. What I said before.
My son.
I'm sorry. My husband, I'm sorry. Please, we're sorry. Forgive us. Please forgive our excesses.
It will never happen again.
Please, my son. Temper justice with mercy. Huh? I beg you, forgive them. Because
obey me.
What?
Hey, sorry. Hey.
What if they had killed me?
No,
Hey,
you
God
will not die. God
forbid.
forbid. Hope go for it. Was a mistake. It wasn't intentional. Sorry.
You cannot
please.
die. We cannot kill you.
God forbid.
Please, my son.
Sorry.
Forgive them, please. Thank God something of such never happened. Huh? At least you're fine.
Yeah.
Go now. Huh?
Sorry. Sorry now.
Yes. As I said earlier, forgive them, please.
No.
Are you okay? Are you alright?
Are you fine?
Mama, I feel very weak and tired.
It's okay. Come inside. Hmm? Let's go inside. Don't worry. I'll take care.
Security!
Go down!
Come. Please be careful, okay?
Take care of that stuff. Huh? Get sand and cover it up. I don't want to say that.
Hey, Mucha. I do not say I security. I cover up. Kai wanda we I know it. What you?
Are you alright? Are you sure? You just feel very weak. What's wrong with her?
Is she alright? She's alright. She's pregnant.
Wow. That is good news.
Yes. I see full signs of pregnancy.
This is good news. Our first wife is pregnant. This is good. Alex, my son, now that your first wife is pregnant, will you still send her away? How did you get in here? What's the meaning of this?
I came here to get pregnant.
Which pregnant?
Get me pregnant now. Are you not my husband?
We all know that you are barren.
God forbid. Your wife is not barren. I'm not barren.
You are barren.
I'm not. See, let me tell you. I'm in my heat period. So anything you do to me, just one shot, it will enter.
Heater, leave my room.
Baby, don't do this. I'm your first wife. You not seeing me.
Sorry.
Honey, is it true that you're pregnant?
Of course. Yes. Yes, I'm pregnant.
Come here. I knew that one day you will make me a proud dad.
Yes.
Thank you very much, my love. I love you more.
I love you too.
Now that I'm the only one that is not pregnant here, I think this is my fate. I should be going to my father's house.
No. Joy, you're going nowhere. Honey, come. No, you're not leaving. We all shall live as one happy big family. My love. Henceforth, no more quarrels, no more fights. We shall live together as one big happy family. We're doing you, girl. Come close.
This is good. This is good. Love Atoka. I'm proud of you, son.
See you. Me and you this night. We're loving ourselves tonight. I'm loading you tonight. Back to back. Akuzwami, you know that
I don't know what is happening, but I can feel a lot of things in my head, a lot of things working around me. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? I'm living on the world. Living on the world. Living on the world. Living on the world. Depression, the pleasure. I don't know if I ought to play the game, 'cause I'm living on the world. I'm so confused, but I think I know what to do. My sis, can you please free him from me? I don't understand